Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Epic Games error code IS-MF01-5-5. This error occurs when users try to install or launch a game using the Epic Games launcher. In some cases, users mentioned trying to install games like ARK or launching games like Rocket League, and they received this error. For some users, the app would just go black or fail to load properly. According to our research, this error is likely caused by internet connection issues, interference from ad blockers or antivirus programs, or problems with the Epic Games launcher itself. In some rare cases, the error may be triggered if the Epic Games servers are down. The first thing you should try is to reboot your PC and router. To do this, shut down your PC and turn off your router. Then wait for a few minutes, then power them back on. Once everything is back online, check if the error is resolved. If the error still comes, try disabling your ad blocker temporarily. Once disabled, go back to the Epic Games launcher and try installing or launching your game again. If disabling the ad blocker doesn't help, try deactivating your antivirus program. After you disable the antivirus, try again and see if the error still comes. If the issue still continues, then delete the Epic Games launcher and reinstall it. After reinstalling, open the launcher and try again. If none of these steps work, check the Epic Games server status. Simply go to status.epicgames.com and see if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until the issue is resolved from their end. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.